Mars has been on a direct collision course with Earth for weeks, causing massive tsunamis and earthquakes. Our planet is beginning to crack, and gravity is significantly changing. But how bad will this be? Could it create a new planet? And is there any way humans could survive? 15 days before impact. This won't be the first time Earth has faced a massive collision. Over millions of years, asteroids have rained down on our planet. One of the biggest was the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Despite its massive impact, that asteroid was only 10 kilometers wide, about the size of 90 football fields. Mars, on the other hand, has a diameter of 6,800 kilometers and is coming straight at us. Normally about 225 million kilometers away, Mars is now just 4 million kilometers away. From this distance, it looks like a smaller red moon approaching us. Even though it hasn't made impact yet, we're already feeling its effects. The moon affects Earth's tides, so what happens when another massive celestial body comes near our planet? The gravitational force would be so strong that Earth's crust would start to bulge and water levels would rise violently, causing multiple tsunamis. 3 days before impact. At just 800,000 kilometers away, Mars is twice as far from Earth as the Moon. Given its angle of approach, we would see a red half-moon getting bigger by the minute. Mars is 10 times heavier than the Moon, and is already tugging at everything on Earth with much greater force. Tides are rising 30 to 50 meters high, and deep inside Earth, tectonic plates begin to shift and creak. But it's going to get much worse. In 36 hours, Mars will reach the same distance from Earth as the Moon. Tides will rise 60 to 100 meters, flooding vast stretches of coastal areas and cities. Say goodbye to Miami, Venice, and any other city near a large body of water. Millions of people will drown, and there will be widespread panic as Mars relentlessly approaches. Earth is starting to crack, earthquakes shake the globe, and volcanoes erupt, covering the surrounding landscape in hot molten lava. People are running for underground bunkers, grabbing any power available. Nanonuclear technology to the rescue. Thankfully, some great minds have been working on a solution. Nanonuclear technology has been developing fantastic microreactors that can produce between 1 and 20 megawatts of thermal energy. These tiny powerhouses can be deployed and removed quickly, making them perfect for emergencies. Projects like Zeus, a solid-core battery reactor, and Odin, a low-pressure coolant reactor, could save us from this doomsday scenario. But we don't need to go to these extremes to see their benefits. These microreactors are helping us tackle real crises today. Their small size and portability make them perfect for remote communities that lack access to the central power grid. They can also help in our fight against climate change by providing a zero-carbon alternative to coal, oil, and natural gas plants. Nanonuclear Energy is working on becoming a vertically integrated company, covering everything from cutting-edge portable microreactor technology to nuclear fuel fabrication and transportation. The final countdown 4.6 billion years ago, just after the solar system formed, a Mars-sized planet collided with Earth, forming the Moon. Now, a similar event is about to unfold. Mars, just 10,000 kilometers away, is pulling at Earth intensely. Mars is starting to crack due to Earth's gravitational pressure, but it's unlikely to break apart before impact. 20 seconds before impact. Mars fills the sky, now just 200 kilometers above Earth's surface. An enormous shockwave hits the atmosphere, making it hard to breathe. Cracks in Earth's surface widen, creating massive canyons, buildings crumble, and entire cities are reduced to rubble. Gravity is about 30% of what it usually is on the side of Earth where the crash happens. Moment of impact. As Mars makes contact with Earth's surface, a massive amount of heat is generated, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs exploding. The two rocky planets briefly separate, but will eventually collide again. Both Earth and Mars will get liquefied, and a shock wave will reverberate through the entire planet. Within 20 minutes, everyone on Earth would feel the impact, and everything on the surface will burn, creating a mass extinction. Aftermath. Earth's surface will crack open down to its core, with large pieces of Mars embedding themselves into Earth's core. The entire top layer of the planets will be molten lava, and their mantles will mix together. The energy from the collision will change Earth's spin. Molten debris from the crash will form a ring around Earth, and some debris will collide with the Moon, making it bigger and heavier. After the collision, part of Mars will be incorporated into Earth, making it slightly heavier, but this new Earth will be devoid of life. Without an atmosphere and water, it's hard to see how life could emerge again. Perhaps in the future, comets will deliver water and life might begin again over billions of years. However, with the sun getting hotter, it's likely the water will boil off within the next billion years. While this would be a devastating end to all life on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.